Hello and welcome. I'm Lewis from SimplexDNA. We are building biodiversity monitoring solutions based on eDNA or environmental DNA technology. We have a measurement problem. We think that 1 in 8 animal and plant species are at risk of extinction. But this estimate is based on a very distorted view, coming from how we measured biodiversity up to now. For example, only 6.7% of the Earth is sampled for biodiversity. 80% of observations are from only 10 countries, and 50% of records for most taxa account of under 2% of species. So the reality is, we don't know what is going on with biodiversity. This is why we need global monitoring. In the last 10 years, we have learned what we can do to build such a monitoring solution. We can simply collect water and identify present species from the DNA they continuously shed into their environment using DNA sequencing. It is orders of magnitude cheaper than traditional methods and captures complementary information to many emerging biodiversity measurements such as satellite, drone, or machine image perception. Our water sampling method is simple and ready to be used by anyone, both by your 5-year-old child or your 80-year-old grandma. We know how to store our generated DNA sequences as data that can be validated by third parties. But what we want to achieve is to create access to biodiversity information from eDNA surveys using Web3 technology to underwrite an AI-powered database that is open to all. Therefore, our question to you is, to build this database, can we pay the poorest communities to sample their surrounding ecosystems and create jobs in nature for nature using token economics? Finally, we are so excited to be in this space with you and can't wait to collaborate with you to make biodiversity data available to all.